Now that your Evmux account has been created, the very first thing you're going to want to do is to go ahead and set up a broadcast session. So right here on your dashboard, you're going to be prompted with a message just like this. It's going to say new project, single broadcast, or multi-session event. So let's go ahead and start with the name of the new project. The new project is going to be whether it's going to be your business name, your name, or any name that you want to use. This is more or less for your internal purposes to be able to access your broadcast sessions that fall with under this name. So I'm just going to go ahead and use Anthony Santana 1, and then here you're going to have the option select single broadcast or multi-session event. A single broadcast is going to be the recommended route. This is the fastest way to get into the studio and to begin live streaming. A multi-session event is going to be more for if you're using an event, doing a webinar, or having multiple broadcast sessions running at the same time. So we're going to go ahead and select single broadcast, and we're going to select go to studio. This is going to go ahead and bring you inside of Evmux live stream editor. This is where you're going to go ahead and manage and run your live streams. So the easiest way to go ahead and get started is to come here down to where it says this little gear icon and select cam and mic. This is where you're going to want to go ahead and select your camera. This is where you're going to want to select your microphone, and then decide if you want to put echo cancellation or noise suppression on. Once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to come up to the top right hand side and select broadcast channels. This is where you're going to go ahead and select the destination where you're going to want to go ahead and begin live streaming. So you can select the Facebook page, group, or profile, your LinkedIn, your YouTube, or Twitch, or a custom RTNP destination. So once you've selected a destination, you simply can go ahead and select here, add to dynamic. Your camera is now going to be ready inside of the studio, and then you can simply go ahead and select go live, and that's going to go ahead and push you over to that destination. And just like that, you can see how easy it was to begin the process of live streaming with inside of Evmux.